Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time we will learn how to design simple parts like this in SolidWorks. Just start it, open SolidWorks. We start from the top plane. So right click on top plane and click sketch. In here we use a millimeter unit. Okay, we can see in here the part have width 96. So we start from like a midpoint line. Draw from this point like this. Right click and click construction geometry. Then we set the width of the part in 96. After that we just make a half of part. Draw line like this and this. Ensure this point and this point to make horizontal, this line make vertical like this. Then for this length of the line is a half of 136 is 68. Why in here is 60x? Because we just to make a half of part. After that we can mirror. A half of 136 is 68. Okay, and it's simple. Then in here a half of the half of 64. It is 32 millimeter, because the total is 64. Then in here is 96. Appropriate this line drawing. After that we can see in here have a radius 12 millimeter in here. So click sketch fillet. Fillet parameter we can change in 12 millimeter. Click this point and this point. Just click OK. We can see the this have a thickness in 7 millimeter. So we just mirror entities. Parameter we can offset entities. Select the offset entities. Parameter we can change in 7 millimeter because it have a thickness 7. Click this line and we can click reverse direction to inside and like this, and just click OK like this. So simple in here. 7 millimeter because it have width 7 millimeter for thickness. After that we can to make length, connect this point to this point. Then we just to mirror entities, block all line like this. Select all line and mirror about we can select this center line. Just click OK. It's simple. Then we can to export to solid part. Have thickness 16 millimeter in here. Go to feature, click extrude boss or base. For direction is blind. The thickness is 16 millimeter in here. Just click OK. Don't forget in here have a fillet radius 4. So select the fillet. The radius we can change in 4 millimeter. For edge we can click this edge and this edge or this line. This edge and this edge. Just click OK like this. Appropriate this drawing. And then we want to make in here first. We can see in here the total length is 96. In here the between in here distance 16 millimeter. Automatically this edge and this center of circle is 16 millimeter too, because the total is 96. So we just make new plane, click a feature and click reference geometry and click plane in here. For first reference, we can click this face in here like this face. But in here we can offset in 16 millimeter, but offset to inside the part. So click flip offset or checklist like this. Just click OK. Then we just to make new plan. Then the name of the new plan is plan 1. On plan 1 we want to right click and click sketch, right? And like this. So make a center line, draw from this point like this, and show the center line is make vertical. After that we just to make a line like this, draw and draw like this. We can see in here the total of the center of circle of the cylinder of tube is 129.4. So the length in here is 129.4 divided to a half of 129.4 is 64.7 like this. Like this, 64.7, because in here the half of 129.1. You can check in here 129.4 divided 2 is 64.7. Then we can see again in here, this is edge, this face or the bottom edge is the total is 12, but we can see the diameter is 4. So we want to use the feature, the name is sweep boss. So this edge and this line have a distance 10 millimeter. Why in this 10 millimeter? Because the total in here through this edge is 12. 12 minus of radius 2 millimeter, because diameter is 4. Automatically in here the center in here is 2, or radius is 2. So 12 minus 2 millimeter is 10 millimeter. Don't forget to make a fillet, sketch fillet in here. The fillet diameter, the radius is 3. So just click 3 millimeter, and this is the fillet. Click this point. Just click OK. After that, we just use feature. Okay, click OK. The name of feature is OK. Oh yeah. Before to use the sweep boss, we go to we want to mirror entities, and the mirror is click this line, this arc or this fillet, and this line. For mirror about, we can just click this center line. Just click OK. After that, we just to convert to the cylinder or the sweep boss. Click the sweep boss or circular profile. We want to make this line to convert to circular profile. So in the menu in here, we just click the circular profile. Just click the profile. But in here, the diameter we change in 4 millimeter. Change in 4 millimeter like this. And this line, we just click this line. And just click OK. And then it's so simple like this. After that, we can hide this plane 1. We want to see in here. In here have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circular profile. So each distance 16 millimeter. We just to use the feature. The name feature is linear pattern, and feature and face. We just click sweep wand or sweep wand. Then for direction, we just click this edge like this edge, and for distance is 16 millimeter, like this. We can see in here 1 2 3 4 5 5, so in here we can change in 5. Number of indent is 5. Just click OK. It's so simple like this. Don't forget in here have 2, but in here the distance in 74, so we want just to go to feature and click reference geometry and click plan. We want to make new plan. For first reference, just click this face. We can flip offset to inside, but in here is the center of this thickness in. So the half of 7 is 3.5. Just offset 3.5 millimeter like this from this face and click OK. We just to make a new plan. The name is plan 2. For the new plan, we can right click and click sketch. Same like before, we make a center line too, like this. Then make a line like this. Ensure this line is make horizontal, this line is make vertical. Don't forget to sketch fillet. The radius is 3 millimeter too, like this. Then for distance, this line and this center is a half of 74. It is 74 divided 2, like this, 37. A half of 74 is 37. Then don't forget this edge and this line have distance is 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter because in here the total the bottom of this line to this edge is 12. 12 minus of radius from the diameter 4 is 2. 12 minus 2 is 10 millimeter. After that, we can to mirror entities. This line, this 50-point arc, and this line, this arc, and this line. Mirror about, we can select this center line. Just click OK and go to feature again and select swipe boss and click circular profile. For the diameter is diameter of the circular profile is 4 millimeter, like this. Then for this line, we just click this line and click OK and done. It's so simple. We can hide this plant. We can see in here the half distance is same 74, so we just to mirror this sweep to using mirror and feature to mirror. We can select the sweep to, and mirror face. We can select the top front plane. Just click OK and done. Don't forget in here have any hole. It's 1 2 hole. We want to make 2 hole. Just click on this face, right click and click sketch. Click circle, draw like this, and click center line to this point to the top like this. Ensure the center line to make vertical. This hole have diameter. In here is not diameter, but in here we just use for shaper is 5 millimeter. So this point to this edge is 5 millimeter. Sorry, I forgot to add the diameter in here, but in here the diameter, for example, is we want to make in 5 millimeter in here. So the center line on the center of circle to center line, the distance is a half of 40 is 20 millimeter, like this. Just click mirror again, mirror entities, and it is a mirror. Click this circle and mirror about. We can click this center line. After that, make hole with feature extrude cut. For direction we can click through all and click OK. And then it's so simple. After that we can to change the color of this part. Select all the feature, select this icon. Maybe the color is white or the gray like this. Just click OK. And then it's so simple to make part like this. I hope this tutorial help you to learning SolidWorks, especially for beginner. I apologize if there are any mistake or error in this material. Thank you very much for watching until the end video. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much.